Hello again, everybody. Thanks for watching. This video, I'm going to put the Magnesium Marchesini wheels back on the Streetfighter. I did it and did not record getting weights and whatnot. So this time you will see the weights. Again, I had some microphone problems today, so I had to get a little bit creative with how I put this together because I don't feel like taking the wheels back off again. But you'll see, I do have it documented what these wheels weigh and the savings, how much we save. You can see me doing the work here, just kind of running around like a chicken with the head cut off. This is all the GoPro footage of doing the actual work, changing the wheels, but it's nothing special to see, that's for sure. Now we get into the meat of it. Here we got the fronts. The difference here between these two, which makes it not exactly comparable, is the magnesium wheels have T-drive rotors, and those are considerably heavier than standard rotors. They're thicker. There's a difference. There's no doubt about it. You can hold them and feel the difference, but I'm not going to take them off just to weigh them. I did previously. But here we have it. The high number there, I was leaning on the scale a little bit initially as I was centering the wheel. But you'll see this is the stock wheel being measured right now. It was flickering between 24 and 25 pounds. Call it 24 if you want. But that's where it landed. The scale does not do ounces, so it looks like it's right on the cusp there. Now moving over to the magnesium wheel, again with the T-drives. Give it a second to find its place. I just take the weight off of it. This is flickering between 22 and 23. It did seem to settle on 22, but what it's telling me, there's not a huge difference in the front wheel, at least with the T-drives. It's probably another pound difference, somewhere in that neighborhood. Okay, now onto the rear wheel. Again, my video is a little funky here. I'm piecing this together because of not having microphone. But you see the wheels here. That's the cast stock rear wheel for the Streetfighter, and then the two mag wheels. And I'm going to weigh the rears right now. Okay, stock cast wheel first. Give it a moment here for me to send in the scale. Looks like 27 pounds. It was flickering again, but lands at 27, pretty steady. So now I got the rear magnesium wheel on. You can see the pretty substantial difference on the rears. It ends up pretty much settling on 21 pounds. So it's very close to a 6-pound difference for the rear wheel, and an 8-pound difference total between the cast wheels and the magnesium. Another interesting tidbit, I did weigh stock Panigale forged aluminum wheels, and they weighed almost exactly the same as the magnesium wheels. That was pretty shocking. So here we were with my microphone problems again. Look at the bike, not my face. Don't try to line the words up. What I'm saying here is that it is a difference you can feel. You lose 8 pounds on the motorcycle. Certainly in the front, you can feel it. It's substantial. And like I said, I did measure it versus aluminum forged Marchesinis as well, and they weighed the same as the mag. So that's kind of interesting. Couldn't feel any real difference. So there you have it. Saved 8 pounds with these wheels over cast aluminum stock wheels. Hope you found it informative. I'll do better with the microphone. My apologies. Got any questions, comments? Put them up there. If you like to subscribe, please do. And I have more videos coming. Thanks.